everyone, it's Susie Lee with Lina Boutique. Welcome to Totally Dazzled. How are you guys? And I'm going to be using a stencil today that I got from Essential Stencil. Now this is not an Essential Stencil Totally Dazzled collaboration, but honestly, it could be. Love blooms where kindness is planted. Okay, and so we're going to stencil this on a surface. Now this surface, I showed Jennifer this earlier today, was ugly as sin. That's ugly. But anyway, I covered it with white fusion mineral paint, so you don't have to watch paint dry. You're going to have to watch it anyway because I'm going to have to go through painting the background for this anyways. So there's that. And I want to get a little bit of white, a little casement white. What colors do we want to put in the background? I want it like sky. I'm going to do like kind of like a sky-ish background a little bit. All right, I'm going to get my brush filled with floating medium like this. Okay, and I'm going to put the blue and the white together kind of in the center, kind of like this. I'm just going to kind of haphazardly. Can y'all see what's going on here? I'm going to put the white in here. This. I'm going to put some of the blue, the darker blue. Anyway, all right, so what I'm going to do while I still have this kind of wet, I'm going to add just a little bit more of the floating medium, and I'm going to go with the white more in the middle. I want to lighten up that center area right there. Alright, so we've got the surface and we've got this sweet little love blooms where kindness is planted. I love that. And we're going to center this right in the middle of all of this. Try to keep it square because this is about a 15-inch square canvas and this is 12 by 12. So I'm not going to, I'll just maybe take the corners just in case it should move around. I don't think it will. You can use waxes and stuff like that. This is just a black acrylic paint. It's called Coal Black from Fusion Mineral Paint, and I just like to get in there and take most of it off. Get in there, and I'm going to give it a pounce. I'm a pouncer and a swirler, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with a pounce and take it on over to a swirl. I'll use thinking about using some coral and some yellow, a little bit of yellow. All right, I think I'll start here. I'm just going to go ahead and pounce in these flowers. I'm going to need a little green too for those leaves, right? Good. Okay, here's the big reveal-a-mundo. Ta-da! See if we like it. If we don't, we're going to put it back down and fix it. I love it. But see how we made the center kind of a little bit lighter? Just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect with a different color green. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a little, I could have done this beforehand. You can do it before, you can do it after. I'm going to make kind of like some vines coming through here and make it like a little wreath. And we're going to add some other flowers. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to get like all squiggly and crazy. I'm going to get a little bit of this extender. So, okay, you're going to get all kind of squiggly and crazy. Don't be scared of it. You're going to go around the whole thing like this, and you're going to connect the flowers. Like that. Okay, so now you can kind of see how it's got some binding going on in it, and it's bringing all those flowers that were just kind of floating there into space. And it's giving them a little bit something to hang on to. Right now you can go on in with a little bit of brown if you want, some tan, or any color really that you think that you would like to have. All right, so I'm going to pick up a little bit of that extender in the brown, and I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to give it a little bit more of some, like a grapevine, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Don't be afraid of it, whatever you do. And if you are, don't let it know you are. Of some streaks in the center. See what I did there? All right, now I'm going to take this one brush I have back here. I said, I see it. There it was. There it was. And I need some red. The front of this is an angle brush, a 1/2 inch angle brush. And the front you're going to put white, and on the heel you're going to put red. And you're just going to kind of blend it like this in your plate, like that, okay? Just a few extra little flowers in this because we can. And I'm going to show you how to do a bud. I've done this many times before, but I'm just going to go in here. You make kind of like an upside down U, like this. Okay, that's how you're going to make your first part of your bud, just like this. Like that. Did you see how easy that first part of that bud is? Like that. Then you're going to go in and get some more paint. You're always getting more paint. You always, with these particular flowers, you can always put more paint on it. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Then you're going to go in halfway underneath it, and you're going to do a U and then another U. So you're going to go halfway into that bud and make a U, just like that. And then you're going to go to the end of that bud and you're going to make a great big U, like that. And then you're going to go in and make some little squiggly petals on the side, just like that. I love that. All right, and then going back, I'm going to add a little bit of leaf. All right, I think I'm done. We're gonna dry it up, but I think it turned out really, really pretty. What do y'all think? Look at all those pretty colors. Does that scream spring or what? Okay, let's get these gorgeous Totally Dazzled Birds out here. I'm gonna be using the hummingbird, this little hummingbird from the Spring Bird Pack, right? Using that one. This little warbler. I called it a warbler, I don't know, but it's on a brand. I'm going to put some E6000 on the back of them with just a dab of hot glue. So's that. And the last thing I'm going to do, last thing any artist should do before they're done with their project is they should sign it. Don't you agree? Love blooms where kindness is planted. That's what it says, in case you can't read backwards. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for being here and hanging out with me. I hope that you love this. Have a great rest of your week. Love you all. Bye-bye.